umbrella for the weekend. So we finally have the opportunity to go and check it out, and I cannot wait to share the experiences with you. It's your birthday weekend. How do you feel?
Fantastic.
You look fantastic.
Just wait for this camera. Please. Yeah, I'm a little bit annoyed because we're late. We had a tea of time for 10 to 9. Currently the GPS says we're only going to be there at 9. Chariot awaits.
Oh, it's the first time that I will get to experience what it's like to be in a golf karretjie. This is my lucky face! My lucky face, my happy face! No speed. No speed in our bakkie.
Golf cart.
No speed in our golf cart.
Yeah. This is very nice.
So pretty. Hey, what do you get?
That close a little. Some suntan lotion
Yes, absolutely vital, but it's finished.
for the lady that's showing her legs. Oh! Oh! Wow.
That's how it's done, boys.
If I draw this one, I'm in the water.
Please don't hit it in the water.
So if I do what I always do, I'm in trouble.
Okay, this is a good day to start something new.
This is called not stretching because we're late. Halfway through. Halfway through. And how are you experiencing your first golf course?
It's very nice. I really enjoy it. And I love the finish of that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the scenery is absolutely beautiful. And the wildlife, we only saw little red bucks. Is that what you call it? The antelope bucks. The antelope bucks. That's a bookie in Engels. I weet nie. Comment down below and then you tell me. Anyway, so yeah, it's been really cool. I understand why people are drawn to the sport.
Yeah. So next time, except of playing 1 or 2 shots from tees, will you be playing with?
No.
Ah, come on.
No. I will be the chauffeur and the videographer, and then that's, I don't know, I will play maybe once, but if I don't like it after that, I will definitely strictly stick to being the chauffeur. I hated to be frustrated, and with golf, I just looked at you. I mean, I've just witnessed how frustrated you become,
Yeah,
and
but
then
then
you have one great shot, and then it's all good again. So,
But did you see that last shot?
I know, that's a good way to end for the halfway stage.
Precisely. And then you get that feeling from Tiger Woods, and then that's why you keep on coming back. Is to get that feeling. So as you get better, you can just get that feeling more and more.
More.
Yeah.
So no, I don't know. I'll try it once.
Okay.
Try it once.
clubhouse is very beautiful.
It's very beautiful. Welcome to our bachelor's pad for the weekend. This is a small kitchen. Nice tumble dryer and a dishwasher. Not a dishwasher, I'm lying. A washing machine.
And the tumble dryer.
No, I didn't say the tumble dryer.
Yeah, but you pointed at the washing machine.
You get me, do you?
Okay.
The bathroom. Very plain and simple. Then we have bunker beds.
Which are not going to be used.
No, that's just going to remain like that. Then the main bed, a very cute and intimate sitting room. And we have
Not exactly the same line.
a porch.
This will turn. Side left or maybe just on the edge of sheet.
Morning.
Morning, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
It's a big pleasure. Everybody's out and about this
Everybody
morning.
is busy.
Very busy. We are going to the beach. Yeah, I'm very excited about that. And it's really hot this morning, like it's humid. It's been a long time since I've felt this humidity.
Yeah, it's bad, but not that bad.
Yeah, it's bearable.
It's not Hong Kong bad or
Oh.
not Bali bad.
Yeah, this is still bearable.
Yeah. So people that moan about Durban or let's say Durban's coastlines, humidity, haven't been to Hong Kong or Bali yet.
No,
Because
that
this is
bad.
like nothing. Even December extreme heat,
Yeah.
KwaZulu-Natal coast is not as bad as Bali or Hong Kong. Do you know how to get to the beach?
I have no idea.
Okay. We'll just walk until we get there. So apparently you can rent a golf cart just to stroll around within the estate. We haven't inquired, so we don't know how much it is, and that's why we're walking this morning. And we're only here for today, and we're checking out tomorrow.
Morning.
So here you can climb all three major mountains in South Africa: Table Mountain, die Drakensberge, and Outeniqua-berge. So you are looking like you are
Ready to do it?
ready to go and climb a mountain.
These biceps
There we go.
and these squats.
Now show the people how you can climb all three mountains in half an hour.
You like what you see?
Yeah. Nice and quiet, there's not too many people.
Yeah.
Yeah. want to work on your bikini tan.
Today again.
Yeah, you can do it without too many eyes prying.
There is the granny pool. That is Mama's scene. And over there is a cute little restaurant that we are going to explore now.
Just because you're going closer and closer to 30 that you are...
You really had to bring that up.
that you say the granny pool.
No, I told you.
Marina Seafood Restaurant right on the beach. When you get out of the gate at Sanlamir, it is a public beach, so there is a road for the public to come in. But we're at the restaurant, Marina's Seafood Restaurant, just for breakfast. I must say it's one of the restaurants that have, you know, the best access to the beach. So this is our view.
Only a few steps and you're on the beach.
You're on the beach. So this is the view from our seat. Yeah. So that's awesome. If you're looking for a sea view and you actually want to see waves, no, not just the blueness, let's get some restaurants, then this is the place to be if you're in the area. About Sanlamir, the state granted the piece of land in 1938 to a Colonel Langler. He was a very big
conservancist, is that what you call it?
Conservancy.
Yeah, it was all about conservancy and establishing and protecting the area as is. Not too keen to commercialize it a lot.
Yeah, so he made it his private estate. He was living on this piece of land, and in 1970 when he died, Sanlam, the insurance company, actually bought over the land.
But in his will there was a special clause that whoever buy this piece of land must continue the conservancy plan that he had in mind. So whoever bought it must make sure that the estate keep 60% of its natural habitat, and then they only have 40% to expand and build and commercialize.
Yeah. So Sanlam bought it over. They did a bunch of, like she said, and they started to develop it. Yeah.
To the estate, what it is today.
Yeah, to the estate, to what it is today. And the golf course at Sanlamir was actually the grounds where that is built on, was purchased after that. So after the 1970s, when Sanlam took over, they purchased the land next to Sanlamir and built the championship 18 hole golf course.
Yeah, and Sanlamir is the very first estate that has a golf course on it.
Yeah, it's the first golf estate in South Africa. Yeah, so Sanlamir is actually 44 years old this year. So it goes back a long way.
It's just so nice. We spoke about it earlier, like the way we pronounce it, we say Sanlam Mir, that is how we thought it was. But if you look at the spelling, it's like S-A-N space Lamir, like Sanlamir. And if you just think about it, Sanlam bought the piece of property, and it's just an incredible play of words of how they came to the name of the estate.
Yeah, and yeah, there's so much. This is the perfect getaway if you want to, if everybody wants something to do. There's a lot of attractions outside Sanlamir, but inside there's a lot to do.
No, you don't even have the need to get into a car to drive to another place or to explore other places, because there's so much to do. Like literally there's something that caters for every need, and it can keep you entertained for days and days and days.
Yeah, just to name a few, there's obviously the incredible golf course.
Yeah. There's a match.
There's a matchy course, so like a bunch of 9 holes matchy course, so par 3s. There is squash courts, bowling, grass, tennis courts, mountain biking trails, spa.
You can kayak
And ski on the lagoon.
And there's even a wedding venue.
Yeah, there's 3 restaurants.
Yeah, 3 restaurants. There's a laundromat.
Yeah, so that was some interesting facts about Sanlamir.
Yeah. So we've checked out at Sanlamir, but before we go home, there's one more stop that we have to do.
So the waffle house didn't disappoint. It was delicious, and yeah, we're gonna end it off here, guys. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next adventure. See ya. Like and subscribe.